Costa Rica, rainforests, volcanoes, 2 coastlines, and more life per square mile than almost anywhere on Earth. You could spend a month here and barely scratch the surface. So here is the smartest travel decision you will ever make. Stop moving hotels. Pick one home base and make it Jaco. Jaco sits on the central Pacific coast, the geographic sweet spot of the entire country. From here, everything worth seeing is a day trip. Manuel Antonio, where the rainforest walks right down to the beach, 45 minutes from your front door. San Jose, the capital, and the international airport, 90 minutes. Land, drive, and unpack once. Monteverde, walk on hanging bridges inside the clouds, 2.5 hours away. Arenal Volcano and La Fortuna, hot springs steaming under a perfect volcanic cone, 3 hours. Uvita and the famous Whale Tail Beach at Marino Ballena, 2 hours south along the coast. And Tamarindo, the Gold Coast sunsets of Guanacaste, 3.5 hours. 6 world-class destinations, every single one a day trip. You see it all and you come home to your own bed every night. But here is the truth no travel brochure will tell you. Where you sleep decides how much you love the trip. So before you book anything, anywhere in Costa Rica, remember these 4 sacred facts. Sacred fact number 1, gated security 24/7. Your car, your belongings, your peace of mind, guarded around the clock. Explore all day knowing everything you own is safe at home. Sacred fact number 2, clean running water you can actually drink straight from the tap, and toilets that flush toilet paper. It sounds small until you stay somewhere that doesn't have it. Sacred fact number 3, a dishwasher, a washer, and a dryer. No laundry hanging out the window to dry. No dishes piling up in the sink. A long stay should feel like living, not camping. Sacred fact number 4, central air conditioning. Because nobody flies to paradise to sweat all day and all night. Cool rooms, deep sleep, and mornings you actually look forward to. All of it is waiting for you at JacoRetreat.com. The best in short stay living in Costa Rica. Let us help you love the Costa Rica life.